What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here with you tonight with another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the 10K per month system and how you can get it for free. Now, the thing about it, it is free, completely free for you to join. There is no cost whatsoever, no credit card information. The only thing you have to do is fill in this information here and click to register. As of now, we got 3,290 members, okay, and it's growing every day. Now, first of all, I want to thank all of my subscribers, all of you all who have subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and hit that bell so you can get notified when I do put out some more videos, okay? So what we're going to do is talk about the 10K per month system and how you can get signed up for free, and how it can be the only system that you need in order to be successful online, okay? So I'm going to log in. Okay, when you get into this system, what you want to do is start right here and follow everything here. Okay, it's laid out step by step. Only thing you need to do is follow the videos to get your system set up, and it's just that simple. So it's really nothing hard for you. You're going to click the preparing for success. Okay, you're going to go to setting the foundation, just step by step system, and it even teaches you how to market your business. Okay, so you don't have to worry about how you're going to get traffic. You can track your progress along here as you go along. Just follow each video step by step. Okay, and so it teaches you and teaches you how to get, you know, your funnels and everything set up that you're going to need to succeed. Look, if you haven't made a dime online and you're still struggling to make it online, only thing you have to do is market one link and you have access to multiple income streams inside of this system here. It's just really that simple. I know some of you all, you have your own business. You can even plug your own business in. Even if you're in a high ticket, you know, item type of business, you can still use this system to make the money, because it takes the same amount of effort to sell a $10 course or system as it does to sell a $10,000 system. So you just need to learn how to market, and that's the main problem with a lot of people. You don't know how to market, and so when you don't make money, you want to scream that it's a scam. When it's not a scam, you just didn't put forth the effort. Now, you have choices of funnels that you can choose from here. I've did it, shown this in previous videos. You can look them up in those previous videos. You can also have setup instructions, advertising, paid, free, and marketing marketing tools, and you have bonuses and extras that you can set up as well. Okay, so everything you need is in this system to get you up and going. We have people joining daily. You know, everything that you need is here. Okay, you're going to set the foundation. Once you set the foundation, you're going to initiate your system. Okay, you have instructions. Once you follow everything on this page, you can simply go to the next step. Okay, instant commissions. It has it right here. Extras, elite. If you want to join it, join it. I haven't. That's up to you. This is a high ticket item product. Okay. The next step, your business activator. This is where you put in your primary business opportunity. Anytime someone clicks on this link, it's going to take them to your opportunity, and you have some different pages here that's going to present your opportunity. All you need to do is copy the share code, click here, and put it into the Conversion Pros system, and you're good to go. When you do that, put that link in here and you're good. Click save and you're ready. Go to the next step. Okay, if you want to invest in our markets live, okay, go ahead and do that. That's up to you. JAFX, that's up to you. Okay. Next step is just simply following steps. Set up your tracking. Okay. Prepare for traffic. Watch the video. Just watch the videos. Take your time. Get everything set up properly. It's going to be worth it in the long run if you do things right and not have to go back and redo everything again. Then you simply click next step. Okay, advertising. It teaches you to learn how to advertise. Watch the video. Then learn how to advertise. Okay. Next step. The autoresponders, okay, getting your autoresponders and things set up. All of that stuff is here inside of the perfect follow-up, okay. And then you have the next step, which is the bonuses, okay. Once you get everything set up, the only thing you have to do is market one link to your system, and then you have everything set up. And whenever somebody joins any of the business opportunities that you have signed up for, you get paid. It's just that simple. You don't have to market 2 or 3 different links for this product, this affiliate marketing product, or whatever. You have all of it inside of this one system. It's been laid out. It is complete. And if you want, you even have the option to upgrade if you want to. That's up to you. You can get the either residual system, which is he's simplifying it now. And okay, so you have the option of that system: business incentives, advertising bait, my econ, shift your income, earn extra money with like Dash and Square Cash and things like that. Get more conversions, some more training and training. Okay, the TCP, let me look at TCP Lifestyle System. It's a simple system that the conversion pros have. A capture page, a landing page, people sign up, take the free trial, you contact them, and you start working with them. You can plug any business into this system that you want. Y'all, it's just simple, and it's completely free. Okay, you have the training center, you have the main hub where everything is laid out. Okay, just follow the steps. Step 1, step 2, 3, 4, 5. Just follow the steps. I mean, it's not really that hard. It's hard if you make it hard. It's real easy to set up. It's going to take you some time, but it's easy to get done, and make sure you take your time and do it properly. Okay. Then you have the setup instructions and your themes. Then you have, like I said, advertising. So everything you need is inside of this system here to get you going, and it's all based around the Conversion Pros marketing system that has every tool you need to market your business. Okay. So with that being said, that's all I'm going to present in this video tonight. It's free to join. There's no cost. You just follow the steps and get everything set up. It's just as simple. And as I said, if you haven't made a dime online and you want to make some money, you want to start a business, then start with the 10K per month system. Okay. It's free, and it's the only marketing system that you need as a beginner, and probably as a immediate or advanced marketer. If there's something else that you just want to market on the side, then you have it. So you get started for free and just follow the steps. You will be good to go. So go ahead. I'm going to leave a link in the description. So go ahead and sign up for the 10K per month system and get yourself started in your own business, and then start marketing this business. Now, with that being said, I want to thank all of my subscribers. Thank all of you all who have just subscribed. If you're thinking about subscribing, hit the subscribe button, click the bell, hit that bell so you can get notified when I do other videos, and everything will be simplified and ready for you to go. Leave me a comment in the description if you have any questions. Everything you need is in here to get you going up and going. Okay, so with that being said, y'all have a good night tonight and a better day tomorrow. Peace. See you in the next video.